Hi, I'm Nat of Cosplay Ink Factory, and I'm going to show you how to find your tracking number and how to track your package if you are in the US. Alright, so there are two emails that are sent to you, a confirmation email and a shipping email. Now the confirmation email is just to let you know that your order has been confirmed and a notification has been sent to me that you placed an order. The shipping email, on the other hand, that's the email that you're really wanting because that has your tracking number inside of it. Now, once you receive that email, you can begin tracking your item. All right. So open that email and get your tracking number and go to USPS.com and go under track a package and put in your tracking number. Now, this is just a tracking number for something that I ordered. And once it goes to the next page, then you want to go to track and history and click that. Now, as your package goes along, it's going to show you each stop that it took. All right. Now, if you don't want to continue going online to see the updates, then you can do text and email updates, which I think is a really cool feature. So you can either do all, or you can individually select which ones that you want. If you do that, then you can hit the I and it'll give you more information as to what each update is going to send you information about. I would definitely suggest that if you live in an apartment, definitely click the available for pickup. That way you'll be told it's here, you can get it. All right, so real quick, if you selected text and all, just enter in your phone number, click that you agree with the terms, or read them first, and then click on Get Updates. With email, fill out the different blocks that they have. You can add another email if you choose, and then click on Updates. And that is how you track your package. Bye, guys.